Filipino mind, okay, think twice. CJ, you take the first. Maybe the second, maybe about 10 more year or longer. Okay, this is the winner, the first and ever. This is special crown. Okay, we don't count much. Okay, is it possible? Maybe back to back. Okay. It depends on beauty queen maker. If she present the good candidate enough, and she very strong fighting with other, she can do whatever to show the world she should win. She will win. 100%. 100%. She will win. You see, all Philippines beauty queen in MGI always like top 5 because you are so strong. So I cannot kick you or let you out because you are the fair pageant. Even first runner up 2 times already. 2 times already. And she qualified, it's good quality for the first runner or winner. It's almost. Yes, but now she's the winner one. But the next queen depends on him. Please, don't ask this question to me. You should ask how to make the next queen back to back. How to make it.
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating panibagong video. At mga kapolitika, ngayong araw na nga po yung nasaksihan natin yung homecoming parade ni CJ Opiasa doon sa SM MOA. At the same time, nagkaroon rin po ng press conference itong si CJ Opiasa kanina kasama itong National Director ng Miss Grand Philippines at ng Miss Grand International na si Mr. Nawat. Dahil nandito nga po siya sa Pilipinas at kung inyong mapapansin doon sa mga videos ay nandito rin po nakipagkita itong si Mr. Nawat dito kay Miss World Asia 2025 na si Krishna Gravides. And ngayon yung ating pag-uusapan ay meron daw umanong sinabi itong si Mr. Nawat dito ay Krishna na siya yung susunod na Miss Grand winner. So ngayon ang sabi ng mga netizen ay hati yung opinion at yung comment ng mga netizen na kung saan ay baka ito ay biro lang ni Mr. Nawat or pagpapabango lang ito sa mga Pinoy. At ito yung ating pag-uusapan at tatalakayin sa vlog na ito. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At kahit maulan man po at maulap ay tuloy pa rin po ang Grand Homecoming Parade ni CJ Opiasa at yung kanyang press conference doon sa SM MOA kasama itong CEO ng Miss Grand na si Mr. Nawat. So doon ay napakaraming tao na kung saan sinaksihan yung parade ni CJ Opiasa bilang winner ng Miss Grand International 2024. So na-report rin po natin na nakipag-meet rin itong si Mr. Nawat dito kay Krishna Gravides na kung saan ay sinet up nitong nitong National Director ng Miss Grand Philippines na si Arnold Vigafria at siya rin po yung National Director ng Miss World Philippines. So apparently is yun ang naging reason bakit nagkita itong si Krishna at si Mr. Nawat. Pero kapansin-pansin mga kapolitika na sinabi na si Krishna Gravides daw yung maging Miss Grand international winner. So siya daw yung next Miss Grand. So hindi natin alam kung ano yung ibig sabihin ni Mr. Nawat na dito, pero sa tingin ko mga kapolitika ay pagpapabango lang dito sa mga Pinoy. So ibig sabihin ay wag nating i-take seriously itong kanyang sinabi na si Krishna Gravides yung susunod na Miss Grand. Pero nagsabi naman siya na kung saan is maingay nga yung magkaroon ng back to back. Sa tingin ko yung malakas yung aking kutob na nagkaroon na sila ng deal ni Arnold Vigafria October 2024, pero hindi dahil nga sa nangyari na kung saan is na take over ni CJ itong crown ng Miss Grand 2024. So apparently kung 2025 yung napag-usapan nila ay baka hindi yun atrasan ni hindi magbabago yung plano kumbaga na ibibigay na talaga sa Pilipinas ang MGI 2025. So maingay talaga. Hindi natin alam kung ito ay ito na yung under the table na mga agreement or yung mga closed door na mga agreement nila. Hindi natin alam mga kapolitika, pero sa tingin kasi natin sa bukang bibig ni Nawat although nagsasabi siya nito before, pero iba kasi yung ngayon kasi malakas yung ating kutob na dahil nga maganda naman na yung relasyon niya sa mga Pinoy. So maingay sa kanyang bibig mga kapolitika coming from the horse's mouth na kung mag back to back kasi hindi niya daw kayang i-ignore ang Pilipinas. Hindi niya pwedeng i-reject ang Pilipinas dahil napakalaki ng market ng Miss Grand sa Philippines dahil medyo sikat na rin naman po kung tutuusin ang Miss Grand dito sa sa Pilipinas, and credit to CJ Opiasa dahil nagawa niya pong pasikatin ang Miss Grand International na business ni Mr. Nawat, and he likes that. So ito yung ating abangan dahil kaabang-abang po ang mga sunod na makakanapan, at dito rin po sa press conference ni CJ Opiasa ay na-mention niya rin po kung ano ba yung mga susunod na plano, at tayo ay natutuwa mga kapolitika, in particular dahil sinabi niya dito yung advocacy, sila ay dadalaw sa mga magkakaroon na rin ng mga advocacy itong Miss Grand International kasi nga di ba nabati ko sila dahil puro lang live selling, yun ang highlight dito sa kailang beauty contest. Pero maganda ngayon na kung saan is medyo natauhan ng Miss Grand at sila ay dadalaw sa mga refugees. So nagustuhan ko yung kanilang sinabi na meron ng advocacy itong Miss Grand at isa ito rin sa mga wino-workout nila. Okay? So ibig sabihin po nun is hindi po araw-araw na mag-live selling itong si CJ Opiasa. So ano man po ang mga napag-usapan at mga behind closed doors sa mga meeting at mga agreement ni Mr. Nawat at itong si Arnold Vigafria ay yun po ang ating abangan sa mga sunod na araw. Pero itong sinabi niya na si Krishna Gravide, sa tingin ko mga kapolitika, ito ay pang tease lang sa mga Pinoy dahil marami rin po ang mga Pinoy na kung saan ngayon ay dito sa Miss Grand. So mga kapolitika, yun po ang ating update ngayon, at tututukan po natin at i-update ko rin po kayo from time to time ano ang maging ganap ni CJ Opiasa dito sa pag-reign niya bilang Miss Grand International 2024. Okay? So kung kayo ang tatanungin mga kapolitika, ano po ang inyong magreaksyon dito sa sinabi ni Mr. Nawat na ang Miss Grand daw ay itong si Krishna Gravides, at kayo po ba ay naniniwala na magkakaroon ng back-to-back winner ang Philippines dito sa Miss Grand International? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At narito po ang kabahagi ng press conference ni Mr. Nawat at ni CJ Opiasa dito sa pagbisita ng naturang CEO ng Miss Grand sa ating bansa.
Expectations simply because of her unwavering commitment to excel. CJ, now that the whole world is watching you, we hope that you can wave our flag proudly wherever you go and keep on shining as the best epitome of modern Filipina beauty. Before I forget, I'd like to invite all of you to join us CJ's Victory Parade at the SM Mall of Asia grounds immediately after this press conference. Thank you and good afternoon. Mabuhay sa Miss Grand International. At this point, I am greatly honored to introduce one of the most respected queenmakers in the realm of global pageantry. A man who has always been renowned as a trendsetter in more ways than one. We can only say that he played a vital role in reshaping the destiny of the new queens who sits in front of us today. Ladies and gentlemen, the founder and president of Miss Grand International, Mr. Nawat Itzaregresili.
Okay. Mabuhay, good afternoon everyone. Okay, I started arriving from the airport and direct to here. I'm so sorry about today, but I'm very proud Philippines, so that's why. Congratulations again for the beauty queen maker, Mr. Arnold. So today you have two events. I do hope you will another event very soon. Okay, congratulations for CJ by the official in Philippines. She's really one of the beauty queen reserved for the winner. but in that time it's very complicated. So that's why it happened. Even in 5 months later from now, she will have a lot of experience to traveling around the world. She has a schedule to Europe in next week also, and traveling around to present your Philippines country and Miss Grand International winner. And also, I have to say sorry again. I get her the crowd a little late. Okay, but she still have time. 5 months is not short time. She can make a good history and enjoy victory of the winner of Miss Grand International from Philippines, first and ever. And also, I promise all Filipinos, I try to push her up in every way that she wants. In the beauty queen, like coaching, managers, or every kind of event. Now, a lot of event in Thailand and some countries, they want to book her. Unfortunately, I check the schedule is very tight. Okay, because of now so many countries waiting for her visit, like in Spain, in Netherlands, in Venezuela, so many countries in Myanmar. Also, in this month, at least like 4 countries, she will go. So this is the most important. She should travel first, and the last time I will do more event and the commercial for you too. Okay, I do hope you are enjoy this moment. I always beside of you. If you need anything, please let her know, and myself and my organization, I try to support because of we know quite long time with Mr. Ano, and we know the Filipino a long time about history of the beauty queen maker, like a capital of the beauty queen in the world, or maybe in Asia side, long time. And I think this is a good time to fulfill your good moment, like a Grand Slam beauty pageant crown. Now you completely done. That is, I think you're waiting for, and I really appreciate. Because of when you will succeed, it's not easy. Sometimes the beauty queen maker or the beauty queen or the people who support you, they try very hard, a lot of things to do, but you're not succeed yet. Maybe depend on destiny also, and the God we will waiting for giving you. But this time I think the destiny and God, you decided already you must be our queen. Absolutely. So she are here, Miss Grand International 2024. And also, after her range, I promise you and the Filipino, I will support more and more because she doing a little short time. I will use her a little more for the commercial, get more money, okay? And do not worry anything, the price is turned over to her too. Of course, we are very fair pageant. We are very fair. When she take over, she take everything over. Not only the crown, not only the title, she take everything. Okay? So don't worry, she will get more rich. Okay? Okay, congratulations for our Filipino fans again, and I'm very appreciative. And not just sweet talk, long time. Sometimes I understand each other, sometimes I fighting a little each other. Yeah. But I am the real person one. I can statement, I can say something in between during the time in the past. But from now we learn and we understand what we want, what you want. And now you got it. Congratulations again.
Thank you so much, Sir Nawal. And we do hope your visit, your usual advocacies whenever you're in Manila, and maybe do a little traveling on the side as well. But since I'm the host this afternoon, I would like to ask one question. This afternoon, we're all talking about our first Golden Crown. Will there be a possibility in a few years maybe for the second Golden Crown?
I think this question is still worry in your mind. Filipino mind always think twice. You take the first, maybe the second, maybe about 10 more years or longer. Okay, this is the winner, the first and ever. This is a special crown. Okay, we don't count much. Okay, is it possible? Maybe back to back. Okay. Depend on beauty queen maker. If she present the good candidate enough, and she very strong fighting with other, she can do whatever to show the world she should win. She will win 100%. 100%. She will win. All Philippine beauty queen in MGI always like top 5 because you are so strong. So I cannot kick you or let you out because you are at the fair pageant. Even first runner up 2 times already. 2 times already. And she qualified, it's good quality for the first runner up or winner. It's almost. Yes, but now she the winner one, but the next queen depend on him. Please don't ask this question to me. You should ask how to make the next queen back to back. How to make it.
At least now we know. It's all on ALB's hands.
So the pressure is on me now. Well, definitely we'll get the best candidate, right? To represent our country. We have some surprises soon. Who are the other candidates?
Okay, maraming salamat po, Mr. Nawad, and also dear ALV. Ayan, sa ating pageant media friends, we all know the answer. Natin ALV ang sagot. Okay, without further ado, I know everyone is excited here to hear from her. And at this point, we will be giving the stage to our first ever grandest queen, Christine Juliano Piazza.
Hello, mabuhay! Sawadee ka! Finally, we're back home in our country. And now we are finally seeing the crown. Actual. Guys, this is the first ever golden crown of the Philippines. And I just cannot thank you guys enough for all the support you have given me from my Miss Grand Philippines stint until the coronation of Miss Grand International last October, and until now that the destined crown is finally in my head, and it's finally something that you guys should celebrate because this is a shared celebration for all of us, for all the Filipinos. We've all worked hard for this, and again, I also want to take this moment to always say the queens from the Philippines who competed for Miss Grand International paved the way for me to be here also. So congratulations to all the Filipina queens who raised our flag so high in the Miss Grand International stage. This crown is not only for me but yours as well to celebrate. So congratulations po sa ating lahat. Thank you so much for taking the time to be here. And I know the floor will be open anytime soon for your questions, so if you have any questions that you want to ask. But also I want to share, just like what Papa said, we already planned some events, yes, and I think it's just right time for me to ask for help na rin po. Because we're actually working on some of my visas. We need to have my visa for Spain. We need to have my visa for US also, because there are some countries that I have to travel for the coming months. Of course, to represent the Miss Grand International organization, but also to bring our flag on those stages and on those countries as well. So if we have people who can help me also to process everything that we need, so we'll be able to push through with this. And I'm truly excited with that. And I just knew kanina po dun sa labas, no, that there were some girls, there were some queens in Thailand who also want to train with me. So let's see if I'll be in Thailand. I'll be staying in Thailand most probably. Ang gagawin lang naman po namin, because I have prior events, prior bookings here in the Philippines, I will just fly in, fly out, and do my work. Wow. That's how committed I am. You know, when you do some commitments, yeah, itutuloy mo yun dapat. Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-cancel. That's just how hardworking I am, I think. And that's why, after the crowning po, I went straight back to the Philippines because I have an event in Agusan also. So I have to travel and then stay here for the crowning. And now if we were able to process the visa, I'll fly straight to Spain and Netherlands, hopefully. And then after that, I'll be going to Myanmar. So roughly yun po yung mga events for this month, but there's gonna be a lot more countries that will be traveling. So, but aside from that, of course, we'll be doing a lot more charity programs. We were already talking about it. So, thank you so much again, and congratulations to each and every Filipinos.
Maraming salamat, CJ. Of course, our grandest queen. Ayan, nakikita niyo naman, grabe kung paano hardworking si CJ. Grabe. Ilang years. I've known CJ for how many years? Ever since my first national pageant, I've seen her. And grabe, this woman is really unstoppable. And it is the reason why she is here wearing the first golden crown for the Philippines. Once again, CJ, congratulations. Now, without further ado, let's now proceed to our question and answer. I'm sure pageant media friends are all eager to ask not just CJ, but our very important guest for this afternoon, Mr. Nawal. In light of the many significant changes that have happened in his organization within the last couple of weeks. So, guys, you know the drill. Since we don't have the luxury of time, we hope you won't mind if we limit our question to just one per person. Okay, so if there are any questions, the floor is now open.
Yes, clearly.
We're celebrating Pride Month this June. I'd like to know, in your opinion, why is it important for beauty queens to celebrate Pride Month? And do you have any message for those who say that we should not be celebrating Pride Month?
There's no borders when it comes to love and Pride Month as well. We are celebrating each and every individual, and it's just right for us to give them that platform as well. And I'm here to celebrate with all of them. I actually just hosted an event, Reina ng Turismo in Cavite. It's a celebration for all our queens of the LGBT community, and I'm just so happy to see them, flourishing on that stage. And it's just one way of allowing people to know that we have this really empowered individuals. And it is our responsibility also as individuals to stand beside them and to fight also with them. So I hope I collect everyone to be with all the people. It's not hard to respect one another. Just share kindness always. Just like what I've said, even during my final answer in the competition, right? Always share kindness and respect to everyone.
Thank you very much for the honor you gave our country.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Nawal. Welcome to the Philippines. We're very happy to see that you're now proudly wearing a shirt with the word Philippines.
Thank you so much.
So, you've always been in the top of the Philippine media and pageant fans for so many reasons, right? So before, we were...
Be very easy question. Whatever you want to ask, not only Miss Grand, okay.
Later. But for now, Miss Grand. So, I remember all the times Arnold and I would talk and everyone that we could never win the Miss Grand International because Mr. Nawal, we would like to ask you, we could never win before. So now, what really stood out with CJ, aside from, of course, all the events that happened, right? That made her really a very worthy Miss Grand Queen. And for those coming forward, like, we're really hoping for back-to-back, what really is the necessary qualities so that you can win a Miss Grand International?
Okay.
Two parts the question.
Okay. In the past, you have so many queens, it's almost not because of some conflict or from myself, but we want to push the quality of the Filipino beauty queen more and more. We're talking about now, she has very good quality, Miss Grand International. We concern about 4B. Body, okay, good. Beauty, by your own. Brain, very smart. And business, she's not a beauty queen. She can do whatever, like a host, like a model, like an actress. Okay, this is the most important. Miss Grand International, we don't love only the beauty queen, like good walking, good photo, good speech. but I want the real one. The real who can solve many problems in front of her. She can speak without any notice before. We didn't give anyone the question before you can ask her. I want to check absolutely the real girl and can work with me. For my idea organization, we just looking for the presenter. The queen is our presenter of organization. So like we casting a star, but a star is come with the beauty queen. So we need Phoebe, and she can do whatever our want on behalf of our organization. Sometimes she traveling alone, to abroad, and then we have assistant going to see you there. Sometimes we can fly from Manila to New York, and then maybe Teresa or assistant fly from Bangkok to New York to meet you there. You should taking care of yourself. You must more smart, and you can doing without any notice before. She have to solve the problem in the front. This is the most important. We need the one who can working like normal people, like a smart people. You can do whatever, not only, okay, keep walking, smiling, no, and say very good, loving the children for charity, no. I want the queen, she can taking care herself, get more money from herself, and share for the family and the social later. Okay, so that is the meaning of the next beauty queen. And the second question, back to back, back to back. I think it's very easy now. The door is open. You can look back to her personality, and then at least like the same CJ or any more option, whatever can be. Is it very easy?
Sounds so difficult. Arnold is thinking now.
No, I know. Listen to me. I know you will have the winner again if you choose the right person one. Depend on you. If you choose the real beauty queen, maybe it's not my way. You should choose the beauty queen with a very smart and business and popular girl. That might be possible. I tell you a lot of things. Too much,
Popular girl.
Hi, CJ.
Anita.
Papa Nawan told us about
Anita
the
Rose.
It's beauty, brain,
Anita
body,
Rose.
and business. If you have to add one and the last B as a message to the next contestants or candidates of Miss Grand International, what is it and why?
B.
Another B.
The last B. The last B.
Okay.
BB.
I think it would be brilliance. Brilliance, yes. Brilliance, I mean, brilliance. Brilliance comes with the brilliance of your heart, the brilliance of your mind, the brilliance. It's the totality, the personality, just like what Papa Nawat is talking about. It's not always brilliance doesn't correlate with brain, diba? And it's not definitely correlate with brain itself. So brilliance is all about knowing how to adapt, how to act. Also, just like what Papa Nawat said. You should be someone who is a problem solver, a quick thinker, and that's how a beauty queen should be. You should be brilliant. So I think that's another B that you should add, and queen should be working on. Another B. Vega queen.
Mega P.
Hello, Papa Noah. Yes. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Philippines.
Thank
It's
you.
good to have you back here. My question is this: it has not happened in any pageant around the world that the national anthem of the Philippines or of any country that has been crowned was played on the coronation of the Queen. And beside that, we saw you crying. You first cried before Mr. Arnold and before CJ. So bring us to that moment. Why did you
Okay.
decide to give that into?
You know, okay, I'm very sincere and open mind. You know, during the time I'm doing the beauty pageant, 20 years. This year is 21 years. When I was young, now I'm a little getting old. I have so many problems all the time. Okay, I passed so many kind of the beauty pageant, like Miss World, Miss Grand, Miss Universe, so many things happen. Sometimes I'm very success, sometimes I'm very hopeless. And you know, when we select anyone, we would love to let herself getting better, and we try to support her. But in that day, myself is very tough. So many problems coming to myself and my organization. You know, on behalf of Miss Grand International, we are the listed company. We're not the private company. So many people, shareholders coming to us, so many problems around. So everybody, they believe us. But you know, from outside country, how can I control them? How can I explain to them? So since we decided to take her crown, she agreed everything immediately. So I'm very appreciative. So I feel